الله وبركاته. Al-Andalus Educational Complex, inspiring up-to-date education with the national identity and Islamic values. Al-Andalus Primary Private School for Boys, English Department, Grade 3. Unit 10, Our World. Students Book, pages 126 and 127. Workbook, pages 122 and 123. Objectives, الأهداف. We're going to identify new vocabulary. We're going to work out an exercise based on new vocabulary. We're going to decide if the sentences are true or false. We're going to listen to circle the correct picture. We're going to identify how to form the superlative forms of adjectives. We're going to
Module 10, Our World. 1. Vocabulary. Gorilla. Tiger. High mountain. River.
again, gorilla. Now look and write. Picture 1, tiger. Picture 2, high mountain. Mountain, high mountain. Picture 3, river. Picture 4, gorilla. Thank you. Now read and match. Fun facts. حقائق مهمة. We have 3 pictures. We have a cheetah, a river, and a mountain. We want to read the text and match the text to the pictures. نوصل أو نوفق النصوص مع الصور. Now listen.
2. Read and match.
Fun facts. 1. What's the biggest river in the world? The biggest river in the world is the Amazon River. It is in South America. It is bigger than the Mississippi River. You can find a lot of fish there. 2. What's the highest mountain in the world? The highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. It is higher than the K2 mountain. There is always snow and ice at the top of Mount Everest. 3. What's the fastest animal in the world? The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. It is faster than a tiger, but weaker than a gorilla. It has got 4 long legs to help it run fast. It has got a long tail too.
Now, what's the biggest river in in the world. The biggest river in the world is the Amazon River. Where is it? It's in South America. It is bigger than the Mississippi River. What can you find there? You can find a lot of fish. What is the highest mountain in the world? The highest mountain in the world is the Mount Everest. It is higher than the K2 mountain. There is always snow and ice at the top of Mount Everest. What's the fastest animal in the world? أسرع حيوانات العالم. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. It is faster than a tiger, but weaker than a gorilla. Now, the biggest river in the world is the Amazon River. The highest mountain is Mount Everest. And the fastest animal is the cheetah, al-fahd. Now, read activity 2 again and write T for true or F for false. The Mississippi River is bigger than the Amazon River? No, sir. False. The Amazon River is in South America? Yes, true. The K2 mountain is the highest mountain in the world? No. The Mount Everest. You can always see snow at the top of Mount Everest? Yes, true. The cheetah is stronger than a gorilla but slower than a tiger? No. Now listen and think. Number 1, who is Jake? Number 2, who is Betty? Number 3, who is Rocky?
4. Listen and tick. 1,
Who's Jake?
Jake is taller than Fred. Jake is faster than Fred too.
2, who's Betty?
Betty is shorter than Tina. She has got shorter hair than Tina too.
3,
Who's Rocky?
Rocky is stronger than Toss. He's bigger too.
Now, who is Jake? Jake is A. Who's Betty? A or B? A. Sorry, B. Who is Rocky? A. Look, is Khalid the tallest? No, he isn't. Is Amir the tallest? Yes, he is. The tallest, al-atwal. Is Umar the shortest? Yes, he is. Is Khalid the shortest? No, he isn't. Adjectives: positive, comparative, superlative. All the oldest. Fast, faster, أسرع, the fastest. Big, bigger, the biggest. Scary, scarier, the scariest. And circle. Khalid is taller, tallest than Salim. Than, so we use the comparative, المقارن, taller than Salim. The blue whale is the bigger or biggest, the biggest animal in the world. The superlative. Noura is a better, best cook than Aisha. Than comparison, مقارنة. a better cook than Aisha. The gorilla is strongest than the monkey, stronger, comparative. The Amazon River is the biggest river in the world. The biggest, superlative. Thank you. High, fast, longer. The lion is faster than the gorilla, but the cheetah is the fastest. K2 is higher than Macaulay, but Mount Everest is the highest. Mount Everest is the highest. The Mississippi is longer than the Yellow River. Is longer than the Yellow River. But the Amazon is the longest. The longest. Thank you. Now listen and circle A, B, or C.
Workbook, Module 10. Our World. 4. Listen and circle A, B, or C.
1. This animal is stronger than the monkey, but it's smaller than the tiger. It's the fastest animal in the world. 2. This animal is thinner than the hippo, but it's bigger than the horse. It's the tallest animal in the world. 3. This animal is bigger than the dolphin. It's bigger than the shark, too. It's the biggest sea animal.
Number 1, the fastest animal is the cheetah. B. The tallest animal in the world. A. The giraffe. The biggest sea animal is the whale. Thank you. Unit 10. Let's play. Students' book, page 128. Workbook, page 124. Objectives. الأهداف. We're going to identify the superlative forms of adjectives. We're going to play a guessing game. We're going to complete a table with the comparative and superlative adjectives. We're going to use comparative or superlative forms to complete the sentences. Play a game, ask and answer in pairs. You're going to work in pairs. You work with your friend, partner, to ask and answer. Is the elephant bigger than the ant? Yes, it is. Is the ant smaller than the elephant? Yes, it is. Which t-shirt is the cleanest? The blue t-shirt. Is the blue t-shirt the cleanest? No, it isn't. The t-shirt is the cleanest. Which is faster, the lion or the cheetah? The cheetah is faster than the lion. Is the bike slower than the car? Yes, it is. Is the car slower than the bike? No, it isn't. It is faster than the bike. Who is stronger, Ali or Ahmed? Ali is stronger than Ahmed. Ali is stronger than Ahmed. Which is the strongest, the rabbit or the cat or which or the gorilla? The gorilla is the strongest. Who is oldest? Who is the oldest? Mrs. Fatima or Sabi or Noura? Mrs. Fatima is the oldest. Which is faster, the boat or the plane? The plane is faster than the boat. Which is scarier, the dolphin or the shark? The shark is scarier than the dolphin. Thank you.
Is the elephant bigger than the ant?
Yes, it is.
Read the table. أكمل الجدول. The comparative المقارنة superlative. Short, shorter, the shortest. طبعا هذه صفات قصيرة. Short and thin and strong and tall and small. All are short adjectives. But we have good and bad irregular adjectives. So thin, thinner. ضعف الإن. The thinnest. Strong, stronger. The strongest. Taller, tall, taller, the tallest. Small, smaller, the smallest. Good, better, the best, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Scary طبعا بنقلب الواي إلى I نزود ER and EST. ER in the comparative and EST in the superlative. Scarier, the scariest. Thank you. Look, read, and write. Use the comparative or the superlative form of the adjective. Giraffes are taller than elephant. The cheetah is so superlative. The fastest animal. Tom is a student than Billy. أحسن أشطر من Billy. Is a better student than Billy. Rima is the youngest in the family. أصغر واحدة في الأسرة. Sue is the worst cook. أسوأ طباخة. Lions are bigger than cats. أكبر من Brad is stronger. It is stronger than Henry. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. The highest. Thank you. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.